Come on in. We're here on the 7th floor of the Holiday Inn Express Matraman, and right now we're paying $26 a night for 5,000 points. Pretty crazy. Come on in and take a look. So we walk in, you can see we have a fairly decent view. Queen size bed, which is very comfortable. Nice comfy pillows, very important. And a TV which we're having issues with, but let's see if you can figure out how to use it. Both sides of the bed have bedside tables and lights, which is very cool. And we can turn the overhead lights out in here as well. So no more having to get out of bed to turn the lights off. There is a table and chair, enough for one person to sit and work at anyway, with lots of plugs everywhere, which is really great. Right in the hallway here, this is the only wardrobe area that there is. There's no drawers or anywhere to put your clothes. So I've just used this as where I'm storing everything in my little compression bags. Down here, there's space for your shoes, and they provide slippers for wearing while you're in the room. We have a little fridge, and of course, for safe to put your belongings in if you need to. There's even a little torch in case power goes out, maybe. I'm not quite sure about that one. We have got tea and coffee making facilities right here, and they do provide lots of water every day, which is really cool. The bathroom is a little strange. There is no door, so unless you're really good friends with whoever you're rooming with, you might want to figure this one out. The shower door actually closes and becomes the bathroom door. Very strange. But come on in. Hi there. Toilet. Gungan. Sink mirror. They do have all of the Dove products, which are very nice. Hair dryer. And they provide all the little vanity kits and the toothbrushes and everything, which is very nice too. Love this shower. So, nice rain shower in there. And body wash, shampoo, and hand wash, all in Dove. There is no conditioner though, so you might need to provide that yourself if you want it. But all in all, very tidy, very clean, not bad.
Coming off the elevator, you have the fitness center on the first floor, key access. Pretty nice setup. Nice view of the city. Air conditioned, TV, water station. And they have a tea and coffee station, which includes cappuccinos, latte, espressos. And then over here they have juice, mineral water, and infused water. And then here's the main line. Things include rice and vegetables. And it looks like chicken today. and noodles and beans and potatoes. Beans and spaghetti, it looks like. Vegetable clear soup. Assorted salad fixings. Kind of strange for breakfast, but it's well worth it. And then some sauces. Some little poppadoms. You can get fruit and cereal. They have eggs prepared for you every day.